Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brie and I'm here again with another YouTube video. If you're new to my channel, welcome also. For this vlog, as you can see in the title down below, even though I should have started this vlog from earlier today, but oh well, starting it now. So yeah, right now we're doing a little get ready with me. So yeah, we'll be going to my cousin's party. It's actually February 13, so it's like a Valentine's party also, but I'm not really going with the theme because it wasn't something like my outfit wasn't something that was planned. I hurry come up something, so yeah, that's that. Yeah, so y'all can just tag along with me, watch me get ready and all that. Right now I'm a best me I try to put out because I'm sick like dog, like I'm literally sick, like I have the flu. I kind of just try go through, you know, but yeah, literally I try to force it because I want content. So I said why not just go and get content for a YouTube video. So yeah, I'm gonna start the get ready with me process. So yeah, I'm trying to find my what do you call it, my eyebrow pencil.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Ooh.
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't have a loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the who's who's? Still running around with more, get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up, I ain't even keep it yet. Running up a silly shit, staying off the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island, turning it and giving time. Personal problems, pillow talking, cause I got rich without him. Only cause I got rich without him. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to you. Cause I got rich without him. Only thing they should be saying is, baby, keep it silent. We ain't even keep it to you. Should be this shit slick the body. Right,
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Are we wasting time?
Guys, don't mind my eyes because I'm tired, like I'm really tired. More sleep. So guys, for the outfit I wore this top and this cute skirt, really cute, like I love with a skirt here, and I wore my Converse, like a high top Converse. So that was my outfit, even though I'm not gonna see properly, but yeah, that was it. Make a catch it in the next clip. Make a sleep.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
I don't think I'll be going into the water because honestly can't take a swim right now at the salt water. But just like I probably pick my foot and that's it because honestly can't go there right now. That's the much I don't think maybe want to put my foot right now. But the water kind of have to see the nice. Just a little bit. The water kind of rough tonight too much. Water really rough, man.
She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga. Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga. Like a minute, like a minute. Billy T, Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I like a nigga, like a minute. Billy T, Christian Dior, Dior. Up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I when I'm in the spot. They know I'm hollering if I'm on the island, I'm snatching the sales. Brody got locked, the night is pale. A day free, I'm racing hell. All my shooters call me FaceTime. For all the times we have to FaceTime. 50 likes to do a state time. If you need the glizzy, you can take mine.
Guys, I'm just done to go to worry.
A day free, I'm racing hell. All my shooters call me FaceTime. For all the times we have to FaceTime. 50 likes to do a state time. If you need the glizzy, you can take mine.
Guys, currently at the supermarket right now because I just get up some more pasta. I was thinking about shrimp pasta, but so much in my mind and want chicken pasta. So that may on for right now. But the sauce, I'm gonna see the sauce what I actually want. I'm gonna see the Prego brand. I'm never tried that before, but hopefully it turned out good because I'm honestly can't bother to buy something and then the food go flop. So I'm gonna work with that and see it go. You think we need to get extra cheese for like sprinkling it?
Alfredo cheese.
Oh yeah, we'll have some already. So for what is artisan 4 cheese. Homestyle Alfredo. It's on there.
Very good.
Guys, if you ever try this brand in a pasta, let me know how it tastes because I'm not sure about that brand new. Is it a brand new too? But I'm really not sure because yeah, in other pasta, I normally use this brand. The what is them? Bertolli. In other brand, I normally use the Alfredo sauce. But I really not see none. There's no say I wouldn't want them. When I see it, them only have them here. I'm not really sure. It's the something whatever. I can't even pronounce the name properly, but yeah, but I kind of think I prefer this.
You're not going to cheese. Cheese not
No, just this. Just this. But I wonder if it tastes as good as the Bertolli brand. Hopefully it tastes good. So I work with this. I think more sweet corn too. Them one here kind of look too small. That one look too small. Them here kind of look more chunky. So may I get this? Okay. Alright guys, so my dinner is finished. So the chicken pasta I've been a crave. At first I wanted shrimp pasta, but mine changed, so I might not get chicken pasta. The chicken pasta instead. So yeah, that's the sweet corn. Same corn I'm buying at a pack that you guys saw earlier. So yeah, this is my dinner. Finally get my heart desire dinner crave pasta. Actually, me and my boyfriend did that about pasta, and he made me feel feed. So yeah, that's dinner for tonight. So I'm gonna eat this now, guys. So catch y'all in the next clip. Guys, it's the next day, and I think the last time y'all saw me, I cooked shrimp pasta. Sorry, not shrimp. I cooked chicken pasta. I went to the supermarket and all to get whatever to cook the chicken pasta. And can I tell you, that chicken pasta, it slapped. Like, what must I slap? It slapped. It was good. So yeah, enjoyed that. Guys, ignore the fan of the background. Like, I'm really hot. Only thing I want to know is say, una hear me say, and that's all that matters. So, and right now I'm just there. I edit this video for y'all. Editing, and honestly, I just want to get it over and done with, because I've been editing from when and can't done all now, and the video is not even that long. But there it is. And guys, I've been binge watching like this show called One Day. I saw it on TikTok and people were creating a whole thing about the movie. So I decided that I want to check it out too. I want to see what's the whole hype about this movie, And I don't watch it yet though. I think I reached around episode 5. I heard people say, oh, it's gonna make you cry, but I reach episode 5 and I'll know I'm gonna shed a tear. It's kinda emotional so far, but it not make me reach to the point where I want to cry, because normally when shows are really emotional, I have a tendency to love ball, because I love ball. So every little thing about my ball. So reach episode 5 and I'll know I'm gonna start crying. So I think they are around, not about much episodes, but yeah, episode 5 will reach so far, and they'll continue watch it and see if it's like a reach to the point where I get really emotional and shed tears, And but then I tell my boyfriend about it and hear me, I love ball too much, really. But I don't love ball too much. If something emotional, yeah, I gotta cry. But yeah, it kind of have me in a chokehold. It's a good movie so far. It's really good. Like, if I should rate it so far, I'd give it like an 8 out of 10, because I'm a sucker for a romance. Like, I love romance movies. Any romance movie, just call Brii. Yeah, so that's that. And oh yeah, I wanted to what's this? Hey, me easy to get distracted. Yeah, I was to go to watch the One Love, the Bob Marley movie tonight, but change of plans. Me and my sister will go watch it tomorrow, because I plan to vlog that, because if we did go tonight, it would be a part of this vlog, but unfortunately make up in our next vlog. So yeah, that's that. So that's a tomorrow thing. And the next thing too, y'all realize but it started the gym, and we're not see about no more gym videos. And I've been wanting to talk about gym too, because when I say I wonder, Brii, you started gym, what's going on now? And that's crazy, because if I did watch my second video, the whole birthday video now, and would I hear me talk about, starting back gym, being a whole gym girly. And I'm not a gym girly anymore, because I started the gym, but it kind of gets, but it kind of get in the groove and it kind of get consistent, but I just stop. And that's the thing that I hate. That's one thing I hate about myself. Like, my way start the gym, I go on good and everything, and then nail after. I'm a one break out of that style, honestly, because I need to become more consistent. One, you understand? Because if more of that body there, like that tone up body there, but I have to be consistent. I don't know why I constantly I do this. Like, guys, I don't know if y'all are gym girlies or whatever. I would like y'all to comment in the comment section and tell me like what to do for keep consistent, because I'm trying so hard. Like, my literally I try hard. Like, me and my sister we literally beat ourselves when we forgot the gym. But yeah, I need something for make me keep consistent. Cause one my sister not consistent, so she has a gym partner. She not gonna push me because she not even push herself. So we both need something that's gonna keep us consistent, because it's really not a good look. So me and my sister will come to an agreement, say no longer than Monday or so we'll be going to the gym. Like, I won't be going to the gym that you guys saw in my second vlog on my channel. I won't be going to that gym anymore. I'm changing the gym. So we'll decide to no longer than Monday we're gonna go find out the necessary information and we'll get posted. Like, if we want a body there, we'll have to work feet. So yeah, we want a BBL body there, we want to look good sun up body, so we're gonna work for it and we're gonna try our best. As I myself, please guys, if y'all know what we can do to remain consistent, comment down below, because we need to get on our groove and do what we have to do. So yeah, enough of me rambling. Catch y'all in the next vlog. Stay blessed, and thank you guys for the support that I've been getting from y'all so far. I really appreciate it. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm gonna be the consistent girly so on this YouTube thing, because you know I've been posting. So yeah, catch y'all in the next vlog. Love y'all.